This one's harder. These two are harder, but these are coming along soon. Soon will be ready. This is the softest here, so we'll leave it. We'll turn it a little bit, and couple more minutes, and this will be ready. This one's ready. Yeah, this one's also ready. This one over here is a little bit harder. This one too. And I'd like to show you how easy it is. Yeah, see, this is how easy it is to scoop it. Delicious. Delicious. Bon appetit.